Hi, so do you really need to have a ClickFunnels to have results as an affiliate promoting different products online? Now you have heard the saying, right? You are just one funnel away. Now one funnel away from being what? Broke or having results. Now nothing wrong with having ClickFunnels, right? You can have fancy looking pages, lenders, right? But the problem becomes when you don't get conversions, when you start asking yourself why my lender is not converting, why am I not getting any clicks on my ads, why I'm not getting any opt-ins for my email list, right? What is happening, what is going on. Now the problem could be with your funnels. Now you don't need to have fancy funnels, you don't have to subscribe to expensive softwares to have results, right? You can have beautiful website, but if you're getting no sales, there is no point to having an expensive software that's going to make you beautiful websites. So let me show you something very special right now in this video. See, I'm going to show you how to sell a lot of stuff even if you don't have a ClickFunnels, even though you don't have a beautiful, or even if you have, let's say, a crappy website. Now let me show you one of these things. Your funnel is only as strong as your offer. You see, if your funnel is broken, then of course you won't have results. But if your offer is broken, let's say fucked over beyond, right, then you won't get any results at all. So your funnel is only as strong as your offer. You have to work backwards from the offer, right? We have the offer. So let me give you a simple example. I have a salt over here. You see salt, right? So what salt represents in this case is what you're doing. It's what you did before you get a sale. And what is the thing you have to do before you get a sale? You know what is that? What is the man's secret? What is the magic? Is salt. Is basically having the pre-sale made before the sale happens. That's the job of your marketing, right? Pre-selling. And you have to pre-sell 5 magic points. And if you are one of my clients, students, you would know what are those 5 points you have to pre-sell on your landing page before you can get results. Now we can get sales with the most crappy looking site. With 1 page, 2 page site, we can get sales. But other people have 5 page site, they have nice lender, they have ClickFunnels lender, but they cannot get results. Why? Because of this salt over here. They don't put the salt on the, let's say, they don't put salt on the road, right? This is the road here. I put salt on the road, right? So that person is thirsty, right? They lick the salt, but I'm the only one with the water, right? I'm the only person with the water here. So that's what happens when you have the right offer, when you have the quality offer, right? You get 0 refund rate, or low refund rate, or no refund rate, right? Depending on what offer you're promoting. And also you get upsells, you get higher upsell take rate. People buy more stuff from you. People will buy different products, right? If you're an affiliate promoting, let's say, affiliate marketing offer on ClickBank, and the offer is not crappy, you're going to get better results long term, right? So it's not about the funnels, right? It's, let's say, could be a big scam, right? Because why? If you're buying for or paying monthly, let's say $250 per month, right? Per year, $2,500 just for a funnel, just basically for a simple pages that you can edit yourself and create, but have no sales. It doesn't matter how fancy or expensive your tool is, right? Let me give you an example. Just like a chainsaw, right? Just like a chain is only as strong as the weakest link, right? Your funnel is only as strong as your offer, right? So it doesn't matter what fancy funnel you have. If your offer is broken, you won't get results. So start with the offer first, right? And shining up the chain might make it look pretty, yes, right? So you can have a pretty website, nice website, but it's not a damn piece stronger, right? Remember this, let it sink in now, right? You have to fix your offer first. So offer positioning, offer quality, it's damn really important thing. It's really important thing if you want to have results as an affiliate, right? So forget about the funnels, right? You don't have to subscribe to any ClickFunnels. You don't have to buy any ClickFunnels, right? Or any other funnels. There are Frankenstein funnel, right? You don't need that. What you need is the right positioning, the right offer, which is high quality offer, right? you need the big idea behind that concept, behind the product, and you need to have the right audience, right? And there are plenty of traffic out there. There's traffic, you don't have to create traffic. There is massive amount of traffic out there. So if you have the simple blog post, the simple page, one-page website, you can bring in lots of low-ticket sales, especially if supplements, right? Let's say I'm promoting weight loss supplement, which costs $150, and I get $130 commission on ClickBank, for example, right? There are many different private networks that I use to promote weight loss offers, right? But you have to have evergreen niche, right? And niche it down, right? To, for example, I would take stay-at-home overweight moms, right? This is specific, right? It's not broad, right? You don't get too broad. You get a little bit more specific niche in weight loss space. And then what you do is you have a high quality offer, right? Which is supplement in this case. Then you connect your audience with the specific pain and problem in this moment that they have right now, right? And then you connect them with your offer. And that's how you make sales. That's how you get the results without having a fancy funnel and without having to spend tons of money on paid advertising. Now, how you can do that? Now, if you're interested to know exactly how you can do that, then give me 15 minutes of your time, 15 minutes of your time, and I will give you in return the exact system that you can put in place to start making this low ticket impulse buy commissions, right? Buying products, promote this impulse low ticket offers on ClickBank. Now, why I'm saying impulse buying, because people who usually buy those low ticket $47, $37, $27, $7 products are doing it like this on spot. It's impulse emotional buy, right? They don't think about it, and they don't go broke because they spend $40. So it's really easy to make that kind of sales, right? In most cases, but you need to have the right strategy. You need to have the right let's say person to guide you through step by step. And I'm sure at the other times with someone else you have wasted your time, you have wasted your money, you did not get results, or you didn't, let's say, put all the pieces properly together to start having this kind of results, let's say $500 or $300 a day. So if you're watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more questions and if you want to get results, what you can do next is contact me one-on-one. Below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts, WhatsApp or email. And if you have some money to invest on the side and a little bit of time, right? A little bit of time, let's say 1 to 3 hours per week, then reach out to me below this video. All the links are in the description below. So let's get started, take action now and start having some results as an affiliate. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And thank you for watching this video.